Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve questions 6, 7, 8 and 9 from page number 57 in chapter 3 Numberplay. Let's solve the sixth question. The sixth question is, can you fill a supercell table without repeating numbers such that there are no supercells y or y not? So read the question carefully and understand it. What they are saying here, can you fill a supercell table without repeating numbers? So here I drawn a table and I fill the numbers 10, 20, 30 and 40. No, it is not possible to fill supercells table without repeating numbers such that there are no supercells. For example, if we fill the table ascending form, then the last cell will be supercell. You are seeing here I written in ascending form. Next, if you fill table in descending form, the first cell will be supercell, because if you observe here I written in descending order 100, 90, 80, 70. So 100 is a supercell. Next number is smallest number, so that is 90 is not a supercell. If we fill the table in descending form, the first cell will be supercell. In this table I written the numbers randomly. It is not in ascending order or it is not in descending order. 53, 75, 89, 20 and 46. 89 is a supercell and 46 is a supercell. If we did not follow any order, then there will be at least one supercell. So it is not possible to fill supercells table without repeating numbers such that there are no supercells. If we repeated the numbers, then we can make table with no supercells. Moving to the seventh question. The seventh question is, will the cell having the largest number in a table always be a supercell? Can the cell having the smallest numbers in a table be a supercell? Why or why not? They ask two questions. Will the largest number always be a supercell or smallest number be a supercell? If you see here, I written the numbers 5, 15, 3 and 26. 26 is a largest number and that is a supercell. Yes, the largest number is by definition greater than any other number in the table. Therefore, it will always be larger than its neighbors, making it a supercell. The second question they asked, can the smallest number be a supercell? No, for a number to be a supercell, it must be larger than its neighbors. The smallest number in a set of unique numbers can never be larger than any of its neighbors, because all other numbers in the table are greater than in it. You have to remember one thing here. Largest number is always be a supercell and the smallest number will not be a supercell in the table. Moving to the eighth question. The eighth question is, fill a table such that the cell having the second largest number is not a supercell. So this is possible if we fill a table in decreasing order or increasing order. This is a table and all numbers are in increasing order. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 60 is the largest number and second largest number is here 50. 50 is not a supercell because the next to the second largest number is 60. So 60 is a supercell and 50 is not a supercell. This is the second largest number. This is possible only if we fill the table in decreasing order or increasing order. The last question, ninth question, fill the table such that the cell having the second largest is not a supercell but the second smallest number is a supercell. Is it possible? Yes. So in the question they said that second largest number is not a supercell but second smallest number is a supercell. This is 6 numbers table: 75, 90, 30, 40, 10 and 20. So 90 is the largest number, that is a supercell. Next 40 also a supercell and 20 also a supercell. Yes, it is possible to fill out table such that the cell having the second largest number is not a supercell but the second smallest number is a supercell. If you see the table and observe it, 90 is the largest number and 90 is a supercell. Second largest number is 75. 75 is not a supercell. Next smallest number is 10. 10 is not a supercell. And 20 is the second smallest number. So second smallest number also supercell because there is no next number after 20 and left side 20 is 10. So 20 is a supercell. I hope you understand how to solve these type of problems. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.